Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. Let's get into it. If you guys are investing in a new iPhone, you have to keep it protected and safe. I have the new Ultra Bounce cases from CASETiFY that I'm really excited to share with you guys. The brand new Ultra Bounce cases offer maximum protection. They can withstand drop heights up to 32.8 feet. I'm really loving the look of the corners on the Ultra Bounce case and that it is MagSafe compatible. I also love that the Ultra Bounce cases are made out of 100% recycled material. The Ultra Bounce case is their most protective case yet, and I think it is perfect for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Not only is this case unique to me and matches my cherry aesthetic and nails, it actually has 6 layers of rugged protection to keep my iPhone 15 Pro Max safe. I'm really impressed by the camera lens cover and the hard shell bumpers. CASETiFY always has the cutest accessories for your iPhone. I love having the phone charm and also the camera lens gem and this snappy ring holder. I've been obsessed with this. I haven't taken this thing off my phone since I got it. There are tons of aesthetic cases and prints to choose from, but I absolutely love customizing them myself with my name on it. How cute. If you guys know me, you know I love CASETiFY, not only because their cases are so aesthetic, such beautiful prints, and really cute accessories, but because they keep my iPhone protected. Make sure to head over to the link in my description box so you can get 15% off your order with CASETiFY. I'm really excited to hear your thoughts of what color iPhone 15 Pro model you guys like the most and what you're gonna set your action mode button to do. So comment down below. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe and stay tuned. I'll be creating a lot of customization videos with my new iPhone 15s. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you soon.